Compute the Wronskian of the following pairs of functions. Two functions are given, one is x, another one is your x e to the power x. So we will find out the determinant of the function y1, that means y1 is equal to x and y2 is equal to x e to the power x, and derivative of y1 that is equal to y1 dash, and derivative of y2 that is equal to y2 dash, and we will find out the determinant. To find the Wronskian, we will find out the determinant. If the determinant or Wronskian is equal to 0, then the two functions or two solutions are linearly dependent. If Wronskian is not equal to 0, then the two solutions of the differential equation, they are independent solutions. They are for linearly independent solutions. Wronskian is not equal to 0. For linearly dependent solutions, Wronskian will be equal to 0. So now let us check what will be the Wronskian for these two functions or two solutions. So it is given that y1 is equal to x. So y1 dash, the first derivative of the function x, will be equal to derivative of x with respect to x, that will be equal to 1. And the second function, it is given x e to the power x. So derivative of the second function y2 dash, that is equal to derivative of x e to the power x with respect to x. So this is a product function. So first function, that is the x, derivative of the second, that is derivative of the second function, which is equal to derivative of e to the power x with respect to x, plus the second function, that is e to the power x, into derivative of the first function, that is derivative of x with respect to x. So this will be equal to x, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x plus e to the power x, and derivative of x with respect to x, this will be equal to 1. So y2 dash will be equal to x e to the power x plus e to the power x. So now we will find out the Wronskian. So what will be the determinant or Wronskian of the two solutions or two functions? Determinant will be equal to the first function is x and the second function is x e to the power x. Derivative of the first function is 1, we have found out, and derivative of second function x e to the power x plus e to the power x. This is the derivative of second function. Then you find out the determinant. You multiply x with x into e to the power x. This will be equal to x square e to the power x. Then multiply x with e to the power x. This will be equal to x into e to the power x minus multiply 1 with x to the power x into e to the power x. This will be equal to minus x into e to the power x. So x into e to the power x and x into e to the power x, this will cancel. So the answer will be equal to x square into e to the power x. So it is not equal to 0. Wronskian is not equal to 0. Since Wronskian is not equal to 0, the functions or the solutions are linearly independent. In this way, by computing the Wronskian of pairs of functions or different functions, we can check whether they are linearly dependent or independent. Thank you.